Hello again. A day of contrasts across the country and a day of change. Dry and cold initially in the east, turning wetter, windier but milder from the west through the day. We've already got the rain across western areas, Northern Ireland into Wales and the southwest through the rest of the morning. This rainfall turns even heavier than it's been already. Some very lively winds as well, 50, 60 mile per hour gusts around coastal areas and along some of the heaviest of the rainfall through Wales and the southwest. That's edging its way eastwards into southwest Scotland, northwest England, into the Midlands by the middle of the afternoon. Ahead of it, any fog that we saw earlier will lift into low cloud across eastern England. A grey and a raw day here with temperatures of 6 or 7 degrees and a freshening breeze. But behind the rain, well, it turns milder. We've got southwesterlies returning, 12 degrees in the southwest. Clearing skies as well, and into the evening, quite quickly, fog forms across the Midlands into central southern England, parts of East Wales. It doesn't last long because the wind will stir that fog up once again as the next system approaches. So once we say goodbye to the rain across eastern parts of the country through the hours of darkness and the very windy weather for the northeast of Scotland, well, we've got more wind and rain to come. We're not the only ones with unsettled weather. The jet stream ramping up across the Atlantic will spin up and scoop up this low pressure, bringing very unsettled weather to the Azores, very strong winds and rough seas. The Portuguese have named it Storm Diana, but for us it's just a typical autumn low. Nevertheless, a wet and windy day to come on Wednesday. Copious amounts of cloud across the country, strengthening winds, gales for western coast, western Scotland, western parts of England and Wales, as well as Northern Ireland, 60, 70 mile per hour gusts. And then for northeast Scotland, the winds ramp up here later on Wednesday. Again, 60 to 70 mile per hour gusts for exposed coasts. The rainfall as well, damp everywhere, but some heavy rainfall for Northern Ireland, Scotland, especially the hills, where we're likely to see 2 inches or more over the Grampians. That could cause flooding. So wind and rain warnings in effect for parts of northern and western Britain. Now we say goodbye to that low on Wednesday, but the next one comes along for Thursday. Some uncertainty about how much this low will deepen. Another wet and windy day, sure, but there is a small chance that we'll see very strong winds for southwestern districts as we begin Thursday. However, that quite quickly scoots away and we will see a return to sunny spells and showers for Thursday afternoon. Very unsettled over the next few days. One thing that all that wind and rain will do will bring a marked increase in temperatures. So Wednesday and Thursday are looking particularly mild, but I don't suspect it will feel that mild. We're going to have some pretty lively conditions out there. More details and all the updates can be found, of course, online.